Imagine waking up at noon, checking your phone, and seeing $1,000 hit your bank account while you slept. It sounds like the ultimate dream, right? We have all seen the ads. The lifestyle gurus sitting on rented Ferraris, promising you that you can automate your life, quit your job, and let the machines do the heavy lifting. But, what if I told you that the dream is actually a prison? I spent months building an automated empire, convinced I had cracked the code to infinite wealth. I thought I was a genius. I thought I had beaten the system. But the brutal truth? I didn't gain freedom. I just became a slave to my own code. And today, we are going to tear that facade down. Let us talk about the efficiency trap. You think you are saving time by setting up these complex chains of software. You link your email to a bot, your bot to a content generator, and your generator to a social media feed. It works, for a while. But then, the first error occurs. A single broken API connection. A missing comma in a script. Suddenly, your passive income stream turns into a 20-hour-a-week nightmare of troubleshooting. 70% of people chasing this dream spend more time fixing their machines than actually living their lives. You are not an entrepreneur anymore, you are a glorified night watchman for a digital ghost town. Think back to the old days. 2015, the hustle meant sweat. It meant dropshipping physical goods, manual labor, driving people around, or freelance writing until your fingers bled. It was hard, but it was real. Then came the no-code boom. We got tools like Zapier and Airtable. We stopped doing the work and started building the workflows. It felt like we were playing with Legos. But then, the game changed completely. Generative models arrived. Now, the brain of the operation isn't just a spreadsheet, it is a machine that mimics human intelligence. We went from manual labor to digital alchemy. But just because you can turn lead into gold, does not mean the gold is worth anything. Here is the part the gurus never mention. The black box risk. You are building your house on rented land. If your automated content triggers a platform's filter, if a single algorithm update decides your output is low quality, your entire income vanishes. Poof. Gone in a heartbeat. You have no human to talk to. No manager to appeal to. Just a cold, automated rejection email. You are at the mercy of a machine that does not know you exist. It is a high-stakes gamble where the house always wins, and you are just the sucker who built the deck of cards. So, where does that leave us? Is the dream dead? Not exactly. But the definition of success has to change. True wealth isn't about setting up a machine and walking away. It is about building a defensible system. You need the automation to handle the grunt work, yes. But you, the human, you have to be the curator. You have to be the one who injects the soul, the brand identity, and the genuine connection that these machines simply cannot replicate. Automation amplifies your output, but it also amplifies your mistakes. If your foundation is broken, you are just failing faster. You are building a skyscraper on quicksand. We started this journey looking for an easy way out. We wanted the money without the cost. But we found that the cost is your humanity. The only way to survive in this new world is to stop trying to automate yourself out of existence and start using these tools to amplify your unique, human voice. Do not let the machines build your life. Build the life you want, and let the machines handle the paperclips. Thanks for exploring this with me. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.